Hello everybody, this is Jyoti from Verbal Hub, and this is the another video of writing and grammar. We will talk about past progressive tenses. What are past progressive tenses? It means the tense that talks about past actions and those actions had taken some time to complete. Use number 1, it means the action we are talking, it had taken some time to complete itself. And yes, examples are Peter was preparing food. It means what? At the first stage, Peter was thinking what to prepare, and then he got an idea, then he started cooking food, and at the end he has an end product. It means what? For the whole action, Peter has taken some time, and that time was processing time, right? So before and later action, it means yes, whatsoever time we had taken in between, that was progression, and because the action was of past, that's why it is past progressive tense. Now the next one is when two actions were happening at the same time. It means what? N was writing a letter while Steve was reading the New York Times. It means two actions were going on at the same time. So here the boy is reading book and the girl is writing. So this is the same time when both the actions are taking place. Next use of past continuous is with simple past tense, where we use words like while and when. Now let me tell you the examples, like while she was driving, the mobile phone rang. It means, see, it is the combination of tenses. We must know where to use what tense. That's why past progressive tense is taken with simple past, and here example is given. Now past continuous and simple past we just talked about. It means what? Longer action expressed with past continuous and shorter action should be written with past simple tense. Example, I was watching TV when you telephoned. It means what I'm trying to say here, if you have shorter action to highlight, we use word when here. But when it comes to longer action, we use while. Example, when you called me, it means it is past tense, simple past tense. I was watching TV, and this is continuous. Whereas while, it means it is for longer actions. Example, while I was watching TV, it means watching TV is a longer action. You called me, and this is simple past. Hope you understood this concept, and that's all for past progressive tenses. Now the application of future progressive tense when we talk about some going on action at a particular time. Example, she will be taking class tomorrow. So tomorrow is the particular time we are talking about. Sometimes some actions are expected for some length, and we expect that these actions will be continued for a time, and that time is certain. For this also we use future progressive tense. Example, this man, he is waiting. When he will be free, he start playing game. So the sentence would be like, he will be playing game after completing his work. Now there is a note that future progressive tense cannot be used with stative verbs. Now what is stative? Stative meaning, the words having some abstract meaning. But dynamic is like action verbs. So what to say incorrect? Example, I will be being stressed tomorrow. So this is incorrect to say. Be and being cannot use together. And being has no sense writing here. It should be, I will be stressed tomorrow during my science test. And as I told, stative meaning abstract. It means examples like know, realize, understand, love, like, look. These are abstract meaning words, and these are not used with ing forms generally, like knowing, realizing, understanding, loving, liking, looking. But yes, sometimes these stative words are also used as dynamic. Now, what are dynamic words? It means action verbs. So we know these words very well: eat, drink, laugh.